voltea para arriba. Voltea para arriba.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I told you guys I did my mom's makeup or a makeover, and I wanted to have it up for you guys. It was edited and everything, but I just never came down to actually doing the voiceover, and I wasn't doing anything right now, so I just decided to just go ahead and do the voiceover. So yeah, right here I'm just cleaning out her eyebrows, and of course I am using the Anastasia deep brow in the color dark brown to fill in her eyebrows. Her eyebrows are just like mine, or my eyebrows are just like hers. Anyway, so they are super thick, so I really didn't have to do much to her eyebrows. And to clean them out, I'm just using the Shade Tip concealer. I believe this was in the shade medium. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe E11, which is my favorite brush to use to clean out the eyebrows. And then I also use the same brush just to apply the concealer all over her eyelid. And this would just be my base for the eyeshadows. And then I'm just taking my finger and just blending in the concealer. For this makeup look, I only use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And to start this look, I started off with the color Burnt Orange. And I just applied that color all over her crease. And I'm just using a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. And it is the V5. So my mom really loves glitter just like I do. So she wanted her eyeshadow to be glittery. But then her dress was like super shimmery, so I was like, no mom, like it's not gonna look good. You're just gonna look like a disco ball, so we're gonna try something different. So I decided to do like a brown smoky eye. It was gonna be something so different, and I was so nervous because I'm like, oh my gosh, she is not gonna like this. But anyways, I'm taking the darkest brown eyeshadow on the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just patting this all over her eyelid. I'm also bringing this dark brown a little bit more to the crease because I really want the burnt orange and this dark brown to mix together. And then I'm also taking some of the rustic eyeshadow in between those colors just to blend them nicely together, if that makes sense. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe E28. This one is one of my favorite Morphe brushes. And it was actually one of the first brushes I ever purchased from Morphe. And for some reason, I ordered like 4 of them like 2 months ago. And they are so different. It is not the same brush. I don't know what happened. But anyways, now I'm just using some makeup remover to clean all of her fallout from her eyeshadows. And here I'm just matching her foundation. This one was the MAC NC45, which was the perfect match for her. And now I'm applying the Benefit Porefessional primer. So my mom has a few dark spots, and I did a little color correcting. I used the color orange, and then on top of that I used the color lavender just to balance it out and it won't be too orange. And then now I'm just using the MAC NC45 as her foundation, and I'm just blending that using a beauty blender. For concealer, I used the Shade Tip concealer in the color medium and in the color satin tan, and I just mixed them both, and it was just gonna be perfect for her skin color. For a little contour, I also used the Shade Tip concealer in the color Rich, and I just also used the beauty blender just to blend them out. To set her concealer, I am using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I like to use the same beauty blender to apply it. For the bottom eyelash, I am using the same dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just smoking it out. For eyeliner, I am using my ink gel eyeliner, and I'm just applying that, and I'm also gonna create a little wing. I'm not gonna do like a crazy wing, it's just gonna be just a little bit, not too much. Now I'm applying some mascara to get them ready for some falsies. And here I'm just dusting off all of the powder. Time for eyelashes. So her eyeshadow was a little bit dark, so I wanted her eyelashes to pop, so I put on some really long eyelashes, and she was freaking out, but they look so pretty on her. And for blush, I am using the Anastasia blush kit, and I'm using the shade Terrace. I really wanted her inner corner to pop, so I am using the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. And to set her makeup, I am using the Smashbox PrimerWater. So time for her hair. I actually did something really simple. I just did 2 French braids, 1 on each side. And for some reason, my phone stopped recording when I was doing her hair. So I'm just going to show you guys how I did the braid. And then basically that's it. It's just gonna jump right into the end when she already has her hair done. I'm so sorry, but it was really simple. It's just literally 2 braids and a bun, and that was all I did to her hair, and it looks so pretty. I think the highlights, it's what made her hair look so nice. And there she is with her hair all done. For lips, I used the Colourpop Iluxsarahii collection in the color Softii. And then I'm just applying a little bit more of the Smashbox PrimerWater. For highlighter, I am using the Dose of Colors highlighter in the color Mírame. This is from the Desi X Katie collection, the first collection. And it was my favorite highlighter. I don't know why I stopped using it, but it is so pigmented. Look at that. Like, I forgot how pigmented it was. So I just had to go back with my beauty blender just to blend it out because it was super intense. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is her dress, and this is how she looked in my niece's quinceañera. She looked so beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, leave me a comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.